Here.
She's not as fast as she usually is today. I don't think she's all completely woke up, but he was ready to play. He's really good with her, actually. I think he thought he had her today.
He's gonna wait. Nope.
Please look at him sneaking up on her.
He thinks that. He's ready to jump over that bush. She's gonna take him on. She's gotta eat to get her energy.
Yeah, see, she hasn't eaten yet, so she's not as fast. She's lagging a little bit today.
Uh-oh, her body's going down. He's puffing.
But you know what, he came back here and he was jumping around looking for her back here. Uh-oh. Did you get her, huh? Here. He's out of breath.
Out of breath. Had enough on the. I think because she squealed and he thought, oh man.
Yeah. He's really actually good with her. Austin though, he gets rough.
Did you have a good play? Huh?
Now I need to eat.
Yeah? You ready to eat now?
She wasn't as fast as she usually is. She was kind of.
You ready to eat? Okay.
She was kind of in second gear. She was stuck in second gear. Huh? He came back here looking for it. He was jumping